Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a one and only girl, Anita Adana. Please, if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. So guys, just recently Pastor Tobi Adegboyega was recently captured where he was showering bundles of pounds to Davido. The video has raised a lot of concerns though. Some people are saying waiting pastor go do for nightclub, while others are saying tight doings. The attention wey the pastor dey crave for, e go soon see am. So let us know in the comment box. Tell us what the pastor did. Was it really right? Telling me to calm down.